Hi guys, this is a new attack that we're calling the DraVaNion attack with dragons, lava hounds, minions, and lightning spells. We use the lightning spells to take out one of the air defenses, and then we send in the lava hound to distract the other ones while the dragons and minions destroy everything else. We use the hog rider to get the troops to come out from the clan castle. And we will use the lightning spell in a second to try to get rid of all these clan castle troops. Now we're lining out one of the air defenses and releasing dragons to start taking out the periphery. Now we'll send in the lava hound to distract these two air defenses while the dragons destroy everything. This gives the dragons time to get closer to the middle to get rid of these air defenses while they keep attacking the lava hounds. As you can see, almost all of our dragons are still here, and we're going to get an easy 100% on this foe. We've been using this attack in a lot of our clan wars, and it's been very effective. Thanks for watching this video.